Make a slip knot like this. Chain any multiple of 4 plus 6. I'm going to chain 18. For making chain, yarn over and pull through the loop, yarn over again and pull through the loop. Now into the 7th chain from the hook, make a first half double crochet, yarn over, insert a hook into the chain, through 2 strands of chain, yarn over again, pull through the chain. Now there are 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through 2. Now into the same chain, make 2 more half double crochet. Now it's a cluster of 3 half double crochets. Now chain 1 and skip the 3 chains from the beginning chain, and into the 4th one make another cluster. On the end of the row 3 chains are left. Make a 1 half double crochet into the last chain. Now chain 3 for the second row and make 2 more half double crochet into the same space.